Here at West Bend Country Club, we've got our renovation project for the fall of 22. Our goal through the years of renovation here is to match our front nine and back nine. Front nine was done by Langford Moreau. Our back nine was not, so we're trying to take all those features and bring them to our back nine. Architect is Kai Golby. We've been working with him for many years, over a decade, I believe, at this point. And then we're also working with Gulf Sculptors International just to get the work done. My staff is a maintenance staff. We can definitely do the work, but Gulf Sculptors are the professionals at this. As you can tell, looking over my shoulder, there's a lot going on already. Day one, we're excited. It's a lot of work, but a lot of fun at the same time.
We're here at the 16th hole at West Bend Country Club. We are in the process of taking what was a wooded hillside and creating some William Langford style bunkering. And the Langford bunkers that were built here in the 1920s were built with a steam shovel. So we're trying to emulate what was built with the steam shovel by using modern day equipment that we've leased from Sunbelt.
We call them grass bunkers here at West Bend Country Club. All grass, no sand in these fairway bunkers. Big steep faces. This hole will have 2 fairway bunkers for sure, one left, one right. And then the green surround will be renovated as well, drop down and give it almost a volcano-like look of what our front nine is. We have a few other things that we'll do with this project. 17 will be a bunker renovation. We will just mix, basically it's renovating the sand bunker, pushing it in closer to the green. And our 18th will be a little bit of green surround renovation. We'll be adding a little bit of approach and making the surround once again look like the Langford Moreau, steeper sides, runoffs and such as that. The beauty of Sunbelt and as big as they are, this is great. We've got equipment that they trucked in the last few days from over 90 miles, 120 miles away to get what we need. This morning I wanted to change in a small equipment. It's a 2-hour ride. They made the adjustment. They got the equipment I need. So we have it here sitting here tomorrow morning to keep going on the project.
Sunbelt is a large rental company, but you get the small town feel. You've got the power, the complete power of Sunbelt Rentals making it happen behind the scenes. It comes from across the country. A couple of the bigger pieces of equipment, the larger excavator and the larger dozer, came from one of our earth moving division stores in the Chicago area. But the dumper may have come from as far as the East Coast, or it could have come from New Mexico. That's not uncommon, pulling these specialized pieces of equipment from the East Coast to the West Coast just to get them where they need to be.
The timeline is about 2.5 to 3 weeks for this to get it from this stage to being regrassed and looking like a golf hole. And really, it's all weather. I mean, as long as, or if we don't hit more of this rock. But the timeline, we shouldn't have any issues.
Having the equipment that's reliable and is here every day, running and not having breakdowns is key to getting this whole thing done. In all the dealings I've had with Sunbelt, I expect nothing less. This is going to be a great time just because of that equipment and its sourcing. This is huge, not only for the golf course, the club, its members, but it's also something as a superintendent to take a lot of pride in doing this and making these conversions. So it's a lot of fun on my end as well.